Mr. Vesta,
Your Excellency.
how are you, sir?
Good. Thank
Ni hao,
you.
ni hao, ni hao.
Ni hao. Your Excellency, thank you very much.
No, thank you. Such a pleasure to see you again, sir.
Thank you.
Councillor,
It's fashion.
good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Director.
Director, how are you, sir? Ni hao. And your hard working.
Mr. Zhang, right. On behalf of the Chinese government, I would like to present you the check with the value of 500,000 Fiji dollars for the purpose of renovation of the government house, state house, right?
Ambassador.
So, please, it's
Thank
a great
you.
honor.
There we go, sir. We're right, and then we'll shake hands.
So, thank you.
There we go. Like that.
Thank you.
Ready? We're set, right?
Perhaps we need to make a bigger check.
This is big enough. It's not so much the size of the check.
Yeah, that's right.
It's the amount. It's the amount that changed the check.
Yeah.
Best, sorry, Councillor?
Councillor. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. At least, I mean, yeah.
Yes, sir, but may I, on behalf of government, the Prime Minister, the Honourable Prime Minister, and the people of Fiji, I'd just like to acknowledge and thank you most sincerely for this generous gift from the Chinese government. And please convey our appreciation and gratitude to your folks back in Beijing.
Thank you.
Some months ago when we started talking about how we should repair the fence. I'm glad that this has come into fruition today with the kind donation of this very substantial amount of money. $500,000 is a lot of money. Thank you, and I have no doubt that with the help of your staff, the councillor and the team, the work is going to continue soon. I have been updating the Honourable Prime Minister and the Minister for Economy about how we plan to go ahead. So I'm so glad that we've been given the green light to go ahead. So once again, thank you most sincerely.
Thank you.
And we look forward to the completion of the job. And I'm sure you've been reading the press. Some people have been having a go at us. We should repair the fence because it's falling apart.
That's right.
But let them talk. You and I.
And at least the work is underway.
The work is underway. We're not going to tell them. We're going to surprise them.
That's right.
Because when we take away the orange cover,
it looks not very nice. I mean, But anyway, I think we are pleased and honored that the embassy can do some assistance in getting the fund for the renovation. I think I hope these fund can be of some contribution.
Thank you.
To the work that has been going on right now here, and I think will make the government house a great place for the people. I mean, to see. I mean, to present the image of the great country of Fiji, I think.
Ambassador, thank you. As I've told you earlier on, we have now changed the name of the institution from Government House to State House.
State House.
It belongs to the people.
Belongs to the people.
So, I'm glad that, the Honourable Prime Minister agreed that by the end of the day, when we renovate the whole institution, we'll open the gates to the public.
That's right.
And they'll be coming through that gate, and the first thing that will strike their eye is the fence.
That's right.
So, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And not only that, but over the last couple of weeks, you've kindly invited us to your mushroom farm in Nadi. And then 2 weeks ago, in Konrote for the rice project.
Wow.
So again, on behalf of the country, we would like to acknowledge and thank the Chinese government for all the assistance rendered. And we wish you well, the best. And once again, on behalf of all of us, I want to say Cheque. Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome. Awesome. Thank you very much.